In today's video, I'm going to teach you about some interesting findings regarding the use of PayPal in Suriname. Let's delve into the details of what you can and cannot do if you're a resident wanting to use PayPal from Suriname. The primary aspect to understand here is that the ability to use PayPal in Suriname is somewhat limited compared to other countries. If you're looking to send payments or make purchases online, you're in luck. Residents in Suriname are indeed able to open a PayPal account for this purpose. So, if your primary intent is to purchase items or services online, PayPal is a viable option for completing those transactions with ease and security. However, things start to get a bit restrictive when it comes to receiving money. One of the main limitations for PayPal users in Suriname is that receiving payments, like getting money from others, is not supported. This means that if you're hoping to use PayPal for freelance work, selling products online, or any other service that involves incoming funds, you might encounter difficulties. Another essential point to consider is the linkage of your PayPal account to your local financial institutions. In Suriname, linking a local bank account or debit card to your PayPal isn't feasible for the purpose of receiving funds. The one exception, in some cases, might be credit cards, which may provide some utility in certain contexts. This can complicate the process if you're looking to transfer funds from your PayPal account to your local bank account or wish to access funds directly from PayPal. An additional hurdle you might face involves PayPal's verification processes. Some users in Suriname have reported experiencing issues with SMS or phone verification. This verification is a crucial step in securing your PayPal account and must be completed to fully utilize some of PayPal's features. So, encountering problems with this aspect can further limit your experience. Given these circumstances, while you can create a PayPal account in Suriname and use it for sending payments or making purchases, you're restricted in terms of fully capitalizing on PayPal's functionalities. Specifically, withdrawing money into a local bank account, receiving payments, or operating as a merchant is currently not supported. This is a significant consideration if you're planning to rely on PayPal for business operations or other transaction-heavy use cases. In summary, if you're in Suriname, PayPal can be a useful tool for paying for services or making online purchases. However, the platform's limitations on receiving payments, verification issues, and bank linkage mean that a fully functional experience remains somewhat elusive. Be sure to take these factors into account as you decide if using PayPal in Suriname aligns with your financial and transactional needs.